Hello, my name is Mohammed Bahdon. I have been using Java for the past 11 years. In this short tutorial, I'm going to give a brief introduction about Java, and it will be a very simple one, or starting point of learning Java. I personally like Java because it's easy, robust, platform independent, and more interestingly has no pointers, as I previously used C++. Java has an automatic memory management mechanism unlike C++, and also programs written in Java can run on many different computer architecture or operating systems because of the used Java virtual machine. I think it's safe to say that Java is similar than the other computer programming language such as C++. Java has a rich library that makes it possible to develop portable programs that can bypass proprietary operating systems such as Windows, Linux, or Mac. That's why they call Java programs platform independent. So let me give you, Java was first released in 1995. Java, as you know, is an object-oriented programming language. Java is almost like Smalltalk. Java is similar to C++, but has no pointers. Java is a platform independent. What they mean platform independent is the program is written in Java. You can take that program on a different platform and run it. But you need to, before you run that program, you need to download or take this Java virtual machine program in order to run that program. On the other hand, C is not a platform independent. It's a platform dependent. If you write a program in a C and take that application or program on a different platform, there's no guarantee the outcome will be the same. So Java is a portable. They use many different occasions or places such as mobile devices, refrigerators, and toasters. So when you have a Java program, you always need JVM in order to run that program on a different platform. Most financial institutions, they use Java for their client-server applications because Java is safe. So let us see Java and its main features. Java has one of most interesting features. It has what they call encapsulations, where you hide data. And also it has inheritance, where the subclasses inherit from the superclasses. What they mean inheriting, it can inherit the functionality or many other things. It also has very interesting thing they call polymorphism, which means many different forms. So we will explain this later, so you can ignore now. Also, it has abstraction or hides implementation details. I will explain details later, but let us see the Java code and some examples. So in order to run Java, we need to download the Java kit or Java program from the Java website. And also you need to download one of the editors, Eclipse, NetBeans, or JCreators. I use Eclipse because it has many good features. So it's free. You can go to their website and download it. So how to compile and run the source code? Writing source code using text editor. So you have to write, as I will show you a little later, you have to write the source code using one of the text editors, and you have to compile that to produce the bytecode. And also you have to run that bytecode and then check the outcome of that program. So I'm going to show you a little Java program so you can try on your own. So this is the Eclipse. So I'm going to go File. I'm going to say New. So we are creating a Java class here. So everything in Java is class. So we're going to create class and just ignore at the moment this stuff because this one is the name of the project, and also ignore the package. So we're going to create the name of the little Java program that we're trying to create. So I'm going to create Hello World. That's the name of the program. So the first letter starting with a capital. So just make sure that you keep in mind Java is very case sensitive. So all the classes start with the capital, the uppercase here. And now ignore all the other parts. We only concern this main one. So we create the main function and then we say finish. So now this is our little program. So this is the name of our class, and this is the keyword, and this is the keyword too. So public class hello world, and this is where we put the comments about the program, our program. So you need to put the two slash, and then at the end you put, so in between you put your comment. So this is my first Java program, and then you can put also your name if you want. So this is the name, my name, Mohammed Bahdon. And now we came, and this is, we will explain this later, but this is the main function, and this is a one-line comment. So you need two slashes in order to put a comment. So I am now going to write code. So I'm going to write one line code. We will print out hello world. So system dot out print line. So Eclipse is helping you when you put a dot. It's going to print. It's going to show you this one. So now I'm going to put here two quotations. I'm going to put hello world. Okay, so you see here, as you see here, this red X, Eclipse is asking us there's something wrong here. So I'm going to put here, I think I'm missing here the semicolon here, and then I put here. So now this will print out hello world on the console. There's no any other errors. So I'm going to save it, and I'm going to run it that here. It's going to ask you proceed hello world. So this is the console, the little console here. Print out hello world. Now this is the simplest program in Java. So this is your first Java program. So I'm going to show you how to run this little program from the command. So first we have to tell the computer where to find the Java program. So you go here, and then you go to the control panel, and then you go system. I'm using Windows 7 by the way here, and then you go advanced system settings. Of course it's going to ask you continue, and then we need to go to environment variables. So we need to tell the computer where to find the Java program that we all remember that we already downloaded. So this is the one I already put it here, and then you click here. Okay, so everything looks okay. So now we're going to open the command here, cmd. So now I have to go to the folder where I save my Java program. So I'm going to say cd. So I'm going to say, I believe I have Eclipse work space. That's it. No, I think there's something wrong here. cd Eclipse workspace. Okay, so that's the first folder, and the second folder, first Java project, and I believe the third folder will be the source code. So now I'm going to see what's inside here. So this is what I have inside the source code here. So the one that we created was hello world Java. So in order to run, you need to write this command java c, and then the name of our file, hello world, and then the extension which has the Java, and now it looks okay. So we're gonna run it. So in order to run, you put the Java hello world. So now, as you see here, this is a hello world. So our program is printed out good. So this hello world and this hello world, this is the little console that the Eclipse has, and this is the from the command prompt, from the DOS prompt. So we successfully did that in here, hello world, and here, hello world. So we will go next lesson next time. So have a good day.